Welcome to my channel. This is Living Consciously with Rachel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Castile soap to clean your makeup brushes. What was I using before Castile soap? Don't tell anybody. I know, I can't even cope. Actually, I think there was a couple of times I used vodka. I'm not sure if that's a bad option or not. I'll have to look that one up. However, today we're gonna use a natural cleansing product, Castile soap. Why are we gonna use Castile soap? Because a Castile soap is safe to use on your body, on your clothes, children. Castile soap is just very easy to use. You should go look at my video on Castile soap, which I'll link down below, so you can understand everything there is to know about Castile soap. How long has it been since I've washed my makeup brushes? Maybe 4 months, I think 4 months. That being said, I literally have not worn makeup for 2 years. I wear makeup very, very rarely because let's be honest, we never leave the house. However, 4 months without cleaning your makeup brushes is a really, really long period of time, and that's actually not cool. I'm gonna clean them now with you to join me. I've got everything I need to make this work, and I'm gonna bring you along on the journey. What do I have? I have some tea tree Castile soap. This morning, I had a gallon of Castile soap delivered to my house, put in my amazing jars, and this is all done by the Castile Soap Shop. If you're in Singapore, I'll link them below and you can use them too. It was incredibly cost effective, and I think it worked out to being about $22 per litre for Castile soap. For those of you who would like to know how much it normally costs, let me do some quick math. Usually you pay about $22 for 500. This is a great way to save money and of course the environment because you're buying in bulk. If you want to know more about Castile soap, go check out this video. I'll also link it below. What am I going to use to clean my makeup brushes? Right, we've got all my makeup brushes here and this one. Actually, this one I use the most because it's for the mineral makeup that I use, and that's pretty much all I ever kind of use. But the rest still, they look dirty, so they need to wash. And they have been used, and again, it's been 4 months, so it's not even like the fact they've been used, it's the fact that they've been sitting there collecting dust for 4 months, that they probably should still be washed, right? And then of course I have my amazing tea tree Castile soap. I have underneath here, which I will show you in a second, 2 glass jars of water, one with boiling water and one with cold water. I'm going to put some Castile soap in the boiling water, and that's where I'm going to do all my washing, and then I'm going to rinse in the cold water in the other one. Let's do it. All right, let's get started. I have my boiling water and my cold water. I am going to put in 2 tablespoons of Castile soap. If you've been following me for a while, you know I absolutely never use measurements, but since this is a big one, I thought, oops, okay, too much. Okay, oh, a bit too much. Okay, so we're looking at around 2 big tablespoons here of Castile soap. Let's have a smell. Why did I use tea tree? I just felt like that was the best way to clean. I don't know, I just felt like tea tree was going to be the right thing to do with my... Whoa, okay. Oh dear, I wonder how many I'm going to need to do. Okay, that's just a foundation brush. I don't even know the last time I cleaned my foundation brush, let alone wore... Okay, so no. I know when I cleaned it last because it was about 4 months ago, but I don't know when I last wore foundation. So this is from before. Blush brush. Okay, now we can see the color is changing. Oh dear, oh dear. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to stop, and I'm gonna have to, yeah, I'm gonna have to stop and I'm gonna have to clean this because I'm not sure if this is the right thing. But I think the best thing out of it is that you can just tell that it's working instantly. So let's just keep rinsing. Alright, so you can see I have refreshed them and I have decided to do them all again. I feel that there was, look, I'll be honest, there was black stuff. That's not cool. So I'm just gonna do, I can't do this spoon business. Let's just pour some in. Probably too much, but you know what? I haven't even started this bad boy yet. So let's get going. Okay, sometimes I forget how challenging cleaning can be. You all saw how absolutely disgusting and dirty my makeup brushes were. I'm ashamed and embarrassed. But great, like at least you know it's real. And I always promised I'd be raw and real. What I am impressed with is how clean the brushes are now and how effective and fast the Castile soap was. Last time I washed them, like I said, I used shampoo and I was like literally going like this with them and gunk was coming off. You know, it was great and it was getting that foamy leather that we all come to assume is what you need. and it's absolutely not what you need. Castile soap does not lather up like that, and you don't need things to foam up to clean. That was a huge change for me, and something I'm not used to, but I think we saw how quickly that turned from clear to dirty, how fast and effective the Castile soap was. It cut right through that makeup, and we all know that makeup is grimy and oily and actually probably really bad for your skin, and I think I'm going to look into some natural makeup solutions in the future. Although I will be honest, my foundation is always just that natural mineral stuff, but I've never actually looked at the ingredients, so actually what do I know? It says it's natural, it said it's mineral, but what does that mean? I don't know. I need to learn this. To the point, the Castile soap worked. I now feel more confident using these makeup brushes, knowing I'm not pulling any more bacteria on my face, and I've not added more chemicals. I feel much better. I can't believe I used shampoo. And you're probably asking, why did you use shampoo in the first place? Well, the reason I used shampoo in the first place is this is hair, and I just thought, what else gets hair clean other than shampoo? Anyway, Castile soap works incredibly well. You saw how I do it. 1 container with boiling water, 1 with cold. There's actually no method to my madness there. I just thought that boiling water is going to work really well with the Castile soap. Every time you use Castile soap, boiling water really helps like invigorate it and make it work better. And cold water, because hot tip, when you have boiling water and you put your fingers in there, it hurts. The tip would probably be to like make sure that it's not fully boiling water, because that did hurt a few times that I did that. So maybe you should go for a lukewarm water. It doesn't need to be boiling, but you win some, you lose some. I learn as I go along, right? I'm really, really happy with this. I'm going to use Castile soap to always wash my makeup brushes. If I ever paint, well, I know that my son will paint. I'm going to use Castile soap to wash his paintbrushes too. Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel and do a big thumbs up for me. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please let me know what you would prefer to see. If there's anything you would like me to try for you, then let me know. Thank you for watching. Look out for my 3 episodes a week. And lastly, I forgot to say what I'm going to do with the brushes now. I'm going to go put them outside in the sun. It's a beautiful sunny day. Why am I putting them in the sun? The sun is a fantastic killer of everything. Mold, bacteria. The UV rays has antibacterial properties that I don't understand how that works, but the sun kills everything. UV rays kills everything. That's why you go to nail salons and you see all the tools they use inside like a UV box, or like actually you can clean your sex toys in a UV box and you still have to wipe them, but then you can put them in a UV box and it kills all the bacteria and the germs. You don't need to buy those boxes. That's just a marketing gimmick. What you can do is just put it outside in the sun. Wait to share more with you. Have the best day.